So a couple episodes ago, I replaced the thermal fuse on a dryer and it worked great, heated up fine. But now the same thermal fuse is blown again. I guess I should have listened to the lady when she said replace both of them at the same time. Maybe that's what it is. But just hooked up the vent hose, came outside where it's vented. It's vented in behind these bushes, coming through the wall. You can see it right there. It's blowing good. It said another sign of a thermal fuse blowing is getting too hot, like a restriction in the vent line. Maybe it's clogged up with lint or something like that, but this one's good. I'm just going to check it. It's blowing hard. I don't think there's any kind of restriction there. So now I'm going to go in and replace the thermal fuse that blew again and the thermostat down below it and see if that fixes it. So we're going to start out same as last time. Remove the back cover. I said 8mm in the last one, but they're actually quarter inch standard. To get the back plate off, unplug wire from the wall, undo your vent hose, take the back cover off. This is that thermal fuse that failed again. Took it out. And down here is the thermostat. Unplug your wires. And then it's held in with a little bent tab. Just take a flathead, bend it out. And then under here, the original thermostats have this extra elbow on them that attaches down to the heating element. So you just pry that off too. And that's what it looks like. And there's the new one. And the kit they send you with a jumper wire. So you, instead of this bracket that's made down and around, you run a jumper wire from here to the heating element here. And then you gotta put this wire on there as well, so you cut the end of it off and put a piggyback connector on it, and I'll show you that part too. So that's the way it needs to look on your new thermostat. Original wire that was going to the top for the thermostat, then you had an orange wire going to the middle, but now clip the end of the orange wire off, put a piggyback connector on it, and then this red and white tracer jumper wire goes down to the heating element, and then the original harness wire goes back to where it was. And it goes in the hole like that, and then you've got 2 1/4 inch screws that'll go one there in that hole, one there in that hole.